Welcome to Standard 8 students. Today we are going to learn area of a trapezium and a polygon, chapter number 20, page 221. Let's start perimeter and area of a triangles. What is perimeter? The perimeter of a plane figure, that is triangle, is the length of its boundary. Here look at here that, for example, that this is here, this is A, B, C is a triangle. In this case, the length of its boundary, perimeter means length of its boundary means that is A to B, B to C and C to A. That is perimeter means we can say that perimeter equal to AB plus BC plus CA. If we will take that here that vertex A is here, its opposite is known as that small a, and B its vertex, its opposite side it will be small b, and vertex C its opposite side it will be small c. Or you can say also perimeter equal to we can say also it is A plus B plus C, this much unit we can say. Now come to that, what is area? Now area of a plane figure is the measurement of the surface enclosed by its boundary. Enclosed by its boundary means enclosed by its sides. Here look at this figure, this is A, this is B, this is C. This is that this person, this is that enclose its boundary line, this is sides, that means this inner part is known as that area of a triangle. Now find out that what are the formulas for getting that area of a triangle. Look at here, area of a triangle equal to half into base into height here. Then Heron's formula, that is area of a triangle, this is also area of a triangle equal to root over of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. This is square unit, this is also square unit. Then area of a right triangle also, this is same as it is, this one also, this is half into base into height. Then area of an equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 s square, this one there is in your book how you are getting that area. Example 2 is there, we will do that one. Then area of an isosceles triangle equal to half into base into root over of s square minus b square by 4. Children, then come to that your example 1 we will do now. Go through that example 1. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are 9 cm, 12 cm and 15 cm. Also find the length of altitude corresponding to the largest side of the triangle. So in this case we have to do first that example 1, it is given that draw the figure, then only you can understand that clearly. Draw the figure. This is A, B, C. So it is one is that 9 cm. This is 9 cm. This is 12 cm. Other one is that 15 cm. Here 3 sides are given, so we can put that Heron's formula. So here solution, whenever you are doing that, let A equal to 9 cm, B equal to 12 cm and C equal to 15 cm. Then to put the formula of that Heron's formula, square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Before doing that one, first find out that s value. So A is equal to A plus B plus C by 2 equal to 9 plus 12 plus 15 by 2 equal to 36 by 2 centimeter equal to 18 centimeter. S value we got. Now we can find out that area of a triangle. The Heron's formula, root over of S into S minus A into S minus B we will put now. That is area of a triangle equal to area of a triangle equal to root over of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S we have got that equal to 18 into 18 minus 9 A, then another one is that 18 minus 12, then another one is that 18 minus 15. It's their root over equal to 18 into 18 minus 9 here equal to 9, then here 18 minus 12 equal to how much it is 6 into 18 minus 15 equal to 3, then its root over. We can take out now that 18 can be written as that 9 into 2 into 9 is there, now got one pair, then 6 can be written that 2 into 3, then it was 3, then write down that 3, then its root over equal to this, how many 9 is here, this is 1 2, so we can write now that only 1 9 into 2, how many, this is 2 1 2, so we can write now that into 2 into 3, how many, this is 3, that 1 2, so into 3 equal to, we can write now that 9 2 ja 18 3 ja 54 square centimeter we got. That is the area of a triangle. Then question also it is asked that find the length of the altitude corresponding to its largest side. Look at here that largest side, one is 9, another one is that 12, and another one is that 15. Largest side means from vertex to here if you are doing, then let it be, it is that D. Then find the height, that is the altitude of a triangle. So we came to know that area of a triangle, area of a triangle equal to, we got that, so equal to this side 54 square centimeter, implies that area of a triangle equal to half into base into height, half into base into height, that is height equal to 54 square centimeter, imply that half into base, it is that towards the longest side, this is the to which it is done, that is the base. So now base equal to 15 into height, it is how much it is, height it is that AD, not it is asked, so AD equal to 54, imply that AD equal to, directly we are doing 15 into 2, sorry 54, this 2 coming this side means it will be 2, and 15 into now it will be dividing, so equal to, we can do now that 15 4 ja 54 2 ja 2 4 जा 8, 2 5 जा 10, 108 divided by 15 centimeter equal to 7.2 centimeter. Therefore, height of the length of the altitude equal to, therefore length of the altitude equal to 7.2 centimeter. Next children, come to that next example. Find the area of an equilateral triangle whose one of side equal to a centimeter. This is A, B, C. This is an equilateral triangle whose all three sides are equal. This is A, this is also A, this is also A. In this case, already I have told you that area of an equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 a square. How we can do here? All the three sides are equal. That means a centimeter. So solution, we can do that. It is A is equal to A plus A divided by 2 equal to 3A by 2. That is S we got. Area of a triangle, we can get that area of an equilateral triangle. This is in an equilateral triangle, you will write. So area equal to root over of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C equal to S value, you got that 3A by 2 into 3A by 2 minus A into 3A by 2 minus A into 3A by 2 minus A equal to its whole root over equal to 3A by 2 into LCM is coming the 2, 3A 2 minus 2A into LCM is 2, it is 3A minus 2A into, that is 2, 3A minus 2A. So equal to root over of 3A by 2, it is root over, it is whole root over, forgot to give, equal to 3A by 2 into 3A minus 2A equal to A by 2. A by 2 into every case, A by 2 into A by 2. Its whole root over equal to, how many A's are there? There are the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 A's are here. So you can write now that root 3 into A by, here 2 to the 4, that is this 2, it is 2 into, from this 2 into 2. So equal to root 3 into A square by 4 equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Therefore, area of an equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 A square unit. Next children, come to that example 3. The base of an isosceles triangle is 12 centimeter. So we can draw that base of an isosceles triangle is that this is A, B, C. It is 12 centimeter. This side equal to this side, and its perimeter is 32 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. In an isosceles triangle, solution, in an isosceles triangle, let A equal to this side equal to this side, let this one equal to x means this one also x. That means let the two equal sides be x centimeter. So perimeter, given that perimeter equal to, question it is given that 32 centimeter, imply that all the three boundaries, all the three sides, that is x plus 12 equal to 32, imply that 2x plus 12, 2x plus y we will write directly 2x equal to 32 minus 12, imply that x equal to 20 by 2 equal to 10 centimeter. So here we got that now this one is the 10 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter, this also 10 centimeter because it is an isosceles triangle. Now A is equal to, we can get that a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, c value it is how much we got, this is a plus b plus c equal to c 12 equal to 32, 12. It is asked that x value we got, that means all the three sides we have got, so whole divided by, sorry, here it is s equal to this one divided by 2 equal to 16 centimeter. Side we got. Now area of the triangle equal to area equal to root over of 16 into 16 minus 10 into 16 minus 10 into 16 minus one more is that 12, this much root over equal to 16 into 16 minus 10 equal to 6 into 6 into 16 minus 6 and 4, 6 into 4 its root over equal to 4, 16 root over 4 into 2 into 3 into 2 equal to 2 into 3 into 2, root over gone, it is 4 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24, 2 ja 48 square centimeter. Therefore area of the triangle equal to area of the triangle equal to 48 square centimeter. Children, next come to that your exercise 20a. First come to that question number 3 come. Look at here that question. The sides of an equilateral, the sides of a triangle are 16 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 20 centimeter. This is a triangle ABC. One is that it is small a, small b, this opposite is the small c. So we have to find out that first area of an equilateral triangle when the three sides already given, that one side it is 16 centimeter, another one is that 12 centimeter, and this one is that suppose 20 centimeter. So you can write that in a triangle solution, in a triangle, let A equal to 20 centimeter, B equal to 12 centimeter and C equal to 16 centimeter. So AS equal to A plus B plus C by 2, that is 20 plus 12 plus 16 whole divided by 2 equal to 48 divided by 2 equal to 24 centimeter. As we got, now we can get that area of a triangle equal to area of a triangle equal to formula. We know that S into the same only we can write S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C equal to, we got that 24 into 24 minus 20 into 24 minus 12 into 24 minus 16, then it's the whole root over this square equal to, we can write now that 24 into 4 into 12 into 8, its root over equal to 24 can be written as that 12 into 2 into 4 can be written as it is into 12 into 4 into 2, its root over equal to, this is here, look at here that this is 12, this is 12, so 12 from each pair we will do that 1 1, this is 1, this is another one, this is 2 into 4 into 4 equal to 12 2 ja 24, 24 4 ja 96 square centimeter. This is the answer. Now area of a triangle we got. Then question it is asked that find the area of a triangle we got. Now next see the question. Area of the triangle we got now. Now height of the triangle corresponding to the largest side. Largest side means this one is the largest side. Find the D, AD value it is asked. We know that half into, so area of a triangle we know, area of a triangle equal to, we have got that how much it is, area of a triangle equal to 96 square centimeter. So we can write now that area of a triangle equal to half into, sorry, area of a triangle equal to how much it is given, we got that 96 square centimeter. Here only you will write that 96 square centimeter, imply that half into base longest side it is 20 into height it is that AD altitude equal to 96. Question it is asked that find that altitude, length of its altitude, 2 1 2 10, imply that AD equal to 96 divided by 10 coming this side means divided by equal to 9.6 centimeter. It is not square centimeter. Next question it is given, this is bit 2i we did, bit 3rd I what it is given, bit 3rd I it is given that height of the triangle corresponding to the, find the height of the triangle corresponding to the smallest side. Smallest side means this one, smallest side this is 12, this is 16, smallest side means from here it is, suppose it is BE, we have to find out. So area of a triangle bit 3rd I area of a triangle equal to 96 square centimeter. Yes, 96 square centimeter. Then half into, imply that half into base into smallest side it is. Which one is the smallest side? The smallest side is the 12. So 12 into base into height it is. We'll take that it is BE equal to 96. Imply that BE equal to 96 divided by 6. 96, 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 6 is 36, equal to 16 centimeter. Therefore, you will write now smallest side, length of the altitude towards the smallest side we can find out now, can write. Next come to that question number 13, children. The find the area of a right angle triangle with hypotenuse 40 centimeter, that is right angle triangle, can draw now. In right angle triangle, this is hypotenuse, it is given that 40 centimeter. One of the other two sides it is given that 24 centimeter. Based on that Pythagorean theorem, we can find out that this is 90 degree. We can find out that BC. So in a right triangle, in a right triangle, hypotenuse, it is given that how much it is, 40 centimeter. One side it is given that 24 centimeter. Then another side BC you find out. So now BC equal to hypotenuse square 40 square minus 24 square its root over, equal to 40 square it is 1600 minus for 24 square 576 its root over, equal to 1024 root over, equal to 32. Therefore, area of the triangle equal to, now area of the triangle equal to area of triangle equal to half into base it is 32 into height equal to 24, it is square centimeter, to it is 16, equal to 384 square centimeter. Therefore, the area of the triangle is 384 square centimeter. So children, today is this much, and for you homework is that exercise homework exercise 20A.